you're probably looking to switch your WhatsApp messages from iPhone to your new Samsung S26. In this video, I'm going to show you 2 ways to do it that work for most iPhones and Samsung devices. Let's dive in. First, you can use Smart Switch to do this, but you need to reset your Samsung device. If you already set up your phone and don't want to reset it, skip ahead to the second method, where you can transfer your chats without resetting your device. You can search Factory Data Reset in your settings to go to this reset page. Then tap Reset and confirm to erase all your data. Once your Samsung is reset, open Settings in WhatsApp on your iPhone. Go to Chats, tap Move Chats to Android, and then tap Start to prepare your data for transfer. Now, on your Samsung, continue the setup steps. On Copy Apps and Data page, tap Next. Update or install Smart Switch when prompted and agree to the terms. Select iPhone as the source, then connect your devices using a cable. Then, tap Next. Allow Smart Switch to access your iPhone by tapping Trust when prompted. You'll see a list of data to transfer. Make sure WhatsApp is checked within the Data from iPhone Apps section. Then tap Transfer to proceed. And sign in to your Google account when prompted. Then install the WhatsApp app here. The WhatsApp transfer page will pop up. If your iPhone is not detected, try to start the WhatsApp transfer again. Once the transfer is complete, continue set up your new Samsung until it's get to the home page. Wait for the Smart Switch transfer to complete. After that, open WhatsApp and verify your phone number. Set up your profile. Then you can import the chat history. And here we go. Your chats will be transferred to the new Samsung. If this didn't work or you don't want to reset your Samsung, don't worry. You can transfer WhatsApp data without resetting your Samsung S26 with iCareFone. Specializing in social media message transfers. It's great for handling large amounts of data. You can find the download link in the description. Once you've downloaded the software, connect both devices to your computer using cables. Then open iCareFone Transfer. Choose WhatsApp and select iOS to Android. Tap Transfer. For the Samsung S26, you might need to enable USB debugging by following the on-screen prompts. Allow the software to access your iPhone and Samsung. When both devices are successfully connected, the software will back up your chats on your iPhone. After the backup is complete, you'll need to verify your WhatsApp account. Enter your phone number and note that your WhatsApp account will be logged out from your iPhone. Then you can select the data you want to transfer and start to transfer them. How long it takes depends on the size of your data. After it is finished, reinstall WhatsApp from the Play Store, then log in your phone number. Then you need to skip the cloud backup restore and instead restore from a local backup. The process may vary depending on your WhatsApp version, but restoring from a local backup should work just fine. Set up your profile. Choose a backup frequency, and that's it. Your WhatsApp chats have been transferred successfully without erasing your S26 or affecting your other data. Okay, I hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.